Welcome back to MQLrobotEAs. In this video, we'll walk through the internal logic of the 1TF EA, built entirely with FXdreema without writing a single line of code. This expert advisor is designed for MetaTrader 5 and is based on a single time frame candlestick pattern analysis. Let's explore how it works. The EA starts by checking if there are no open positions. It then evaluates a sequence of candlestick conditions including bullish and bearish candles, open and close relationships, and median-based price levels. It also applies logic such as close prices compared across multiple candles, highs and lows relative to candle medians, confirmation of candle direction and strength. Once all conditions are met, the EA will either buy or sell, based on a clean and efficient rule set, all happening once per bar. On the right side, you'll see the input constants: lot size, Martingale factor, take profit, and stop loss levels. These can be customized easily before running the EA on your preferred chart and time frame. You can download this EA here, MQLrobot.com. Important reminder, before using this EA in real trading, make sure to understand the core trading strategy, evaluate the risks involved, backtest it thoroughly using 99.9% tick data for better accuracy. This video is for educational purposes only, and your own discretion is advised when applying it in the live markets. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the full playlist Build a Forex EA Robot No Code FXdreema. Only here on MQLrobotEAs.